Morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a nice day so far. Today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. It is day 5, so your special is music at 12:05, and it's the 118th day of school. And it is also Luca's birthday. So happy to Luca. I hope your special day is off to a great start, and we will sing and celebrate with you in class today. So happy birthday, Luca. All right, if you would like to go ahead and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll go through our schedule. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today is also wear your red and white or Avonworth gear today for Read Across America, the theme for today. All right, so here is the plan. Coming out first thing this morning, you will see an application problem. Now, as I mentioned yesterday with the measurement unit, this module 3, we're going to be combining some lessons and skipping some of the parts and kind of jumping around. So for today's application problem, you will actually be working on the application problem for lesson 4. So I know that we did 1 and 2, and actually you only did the application problem for 1 so far. Today, you're just going to do the application problem for lesson 4 this morning, and that is on page 207 in the Learn book, and that will be all for the application. All of the page numbers are in the Seesaw activity though, but I just wanted to let you know. And again, it is in the module 2 and 3 workbook, just lesson 4. Again, because we are jumping around and skipping, moving around a little bit. Okay, so number 1, application problem for lesson 4. You will also see a Wit and Wisdom lesson on essential meaning and a deep dive. Then we will meet at 10 for math. If you could please bring both of these books, that would be great. Both of your 1 through 3 and 2 and 3 workbooks. And then if you could also please bring from your supply box folder, if you could bring the measurement bag. We're going to be using these cubes in today's lesson. So if you could bring those to class as well, that would be great. Okay, and then we'll work on some of the problem set in class. And then if you just check on the Seesaw activity, I will mark what pages and what lesson you can take a picture and turn in. Okay, so we can go over that during class as well. All right, anyway, so we'll have math at 10, and then we will meet again at 1 for word building. If you could please bring these letters, A, C, F, H, K, M, L, and then the AR, the CH, and the SH, which would all be in the Ziploc bag. That would be great. And that will wrap up our day. Please let me know if you have any questions, especially with the math or the workbooks, if I can do anything to help. Again, if you want to wear your red and white, a very happy birthday to Luca. And just a reminder that tomorrow, Wednesday, is the time for school pictures for the virtual students. So I understand that the office will be sending out some additional information about that sometime today. So if you wanted to keep an eye out for it, but the school pictures will be tomorrow, Wednesday, March 3rd. Okay, and let me know if you need anything or have any questions, and I can't wait to see everybody soon. Thanks, guys. Oh, almost forgot the joke for today. The joke is, what do you call a dog with a fever? What do you call a dog with a fever? I will tell you the answer at 10. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.